Welcome to our animated guide to Python scope, where variables come to life within their unique realms. Scope in Python defines the visibility and accessibility of variables, dictating where they can be used and manipulated. Let's delve into local scope, where variables reside within the confines of their respective functions, invisible to the outside world. As shown in the example, the variable x is not available outside the function, but it is available for any function inside the function. Venture into global scope, where variables roam freely across the entire codebase, accessible from any corner of the program. As shown in this example, a variable created in the main body of the Python code is a global variable and belongs to the global scope. Global variables are available from within any scope. Global and local encounter naming dilemmas, where the same variable name takes on different meanings within local and global scopes. As shown in the example, variables with the same name inside and outside of a function, Python will treat them as two separate variables, one available in the global scope, outside the function, and one available in the local scope. Unlock the power of the global keyword, granting access to global variables from the confines of local scopes. Empower your code with dynamic global changes, leveraging the global keyword to manipulate global variables from within functions. Join us on this animated exploration of Python scope, where variables traverse through diverse realms of visibility and accessibility. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating Python animations and tutorials. Happy coding!